Jeff Bezos walks in. So, oh shit, I'm gonna go say what's up. I said, that's motherfucker. I would love to pick his brain. That's an interesting individual. No, don't do that. What do you mean, don't do that?
Who said don't do that?
My friend. No, don't do that. Why you gonna do that, Kev? It's a room full of people. Don't look like the dude that's thirsty. Thirsty for what? For fucking information, dick face? We got to like, little, I ain't gonna see this man no more. I don't know him. We're not on a phone number to phone number basis. I'm gonna say what's up to him. All right, Kev, do you? I'm just saying, in this environment, just chill. It's relaxed. And that shit start to click to me. That's the problem. Everybody's too cool. Everybody's too fucking cool.
Right.
Everybody wants you to think that they know. You don't know. You don't know shit. We don't know shit.
There's one Jeff Bezos.
There's fucking one.
He's right there.
Almost trillionaire. Hey, Jeff.
Come here, man.
Hey, man. First of all, explain the trillion to me. What is that? How many zeros? What is that?
First of all, do you know how excited he must be to talk to you, too?
Who knows? I'm gonna fucking find out. I'm gonna fucking find out. You know what I did, Joe?
What?
Took my wife with me. Hey, Jeff, I'm Kevin Hart. How you doing, man? Hey, Kevin, how are you? Jeff, this is my wifey, Nico. Hey, man, I admire you. I don't fucking know anything about that world and death, but I admire you. I admire you for being a guy that fucking created and accomplished some shit that is a phenomenon. I want to shake your hand. I would love to talk one day. Kev, hey, man, good meeting you. Quite sure we'll bump past one day. Hey, if we do or don't, you gonna remember this. I don't need shit. I'm not asking for anything. I set myself up for another conversation for when I got the opportunity. You're talking here, but I'm gonna come over, man. I want to fucking ask you a bunch of questions about this Amazon shit and ask you how you came up with it. I don't think this is the time or place, but I want you to see my face.
I'm gonna say it like this, man. When you're growing up in the hood, or not even if you're growing up in the hood, if you're just growing up around a bunch of unmotivational people, you're growing up around people that's comfortable with their life, people that think it's corny to ask questions. I agree with this video 100%. You don't gotta like Jeff Bezos personally, but as a businessman, he is brilliant. The problem growing up in the hood, or even if you're not from the hood, you just grow up in an unmotivated environment. You grew up thinking it's wrong to ask questions, that it's corny, that it's Joe or it's D-Eaton. As I grow, one thing I realized, those people are just insecure. And I'm not here to talk trash. In reality, there are insecurities that they don't even realize. People feel like they too cool or they gotta be cool. And that diminishes their value if they go asking questions or giving flowers or saluting another person. The truth is that mindset holds you back. And yes, you might be successful now, but if you got rid of that mindset that was embedded in us, you would be way further in life. Same with me. I used to have that mindset too. Get rid of that I'm too cool mindset, or it's Joe or D. And if I show love and give someone they flowers or ask questions, that ain't cool. It's corny. God bless you all.